Tender beef in thick and tangy sauce. With carrots and potatoes that goes best with steamed rice or even bread. Beef mechado is a Filipino stew that is an ultimate comfort food. In a bowl, place beef, then pour lemon or calamansi juice, soy sauce, salt and ground black pepper. Mix until all the beef chunks are coated with marinade sauce. Marinate for at least 20 to 30 minutes. While marinating, heat oil over medium heat. Add potatoes that are cut in wedges. Fry potatoes until lightly browned. Transfer in a bowl and set aside. Next, add sliced carrots. Fry until half cooked. Transfer in a bowl and set aside. Using the same oil, add marinated beef. Save the marinating sauce for later use. Sear beef pieces on all sides until brown in color. Searing gives a depth of flavor at the end. Transfer in a bowl and set aside. Dip in sliced onion. Cook until translucent. Add chopped garlic. Sauté until fragrant. Add tomatoes that are cut into small pieces. Cook until the tomatoes are soft and the juice is released. Add the tomato paste and stir to incorporate. Return the beef and simmer for a couple of seconds until the beef absorbs the sauce. Add bay leaves and marinating sauce, then stir to combine. Add water, then cover pan with a lid. Cook in low-medium heat for 1 hour or until the beef is soft and tender. Add more water if needed. Add cooked potatoes and cooked carrots, followed by sliced bell peppers. Mix well to incorporate. Taste and adjust if needed. Give it a final stir, then remove pan from heat and transfer in a serving dish. If you liked this video, please follow Amiable Foods for more recipes.